guys, I'm back with another video. I can't be talking that loud, but happy 4th of July, and I don't forgot the topic. I'll be right back. I don't know right now, but thank you for all the support on my channel lately. And here's a clip on the music video. It is still in progress. We thought it was gonna be done today, but no, it's not done today. But here's a clip. Pause it. No more than that. No more than that. It's not edited or anything. Just a normal clip. It's totally normal. No music over it or anything. I had to mute out the music. Probably just good. Just recorded the video. Probably could just record the video and could have just recorded the video and I keep forgetting which topic I'm on right now. I forgot. Knowing that I'm red as the sun, and that I'm light as ice cube, and that I'm both as what you would see in school. I really have no idea, but there's a 16-a-month Lamborghini Huracan Performante, and I have Dub 212 here today, and you know. Bubbles. Now we are actually going to do some fireworks. We got Dub 212, and he's eating some candle. Tastes so good. Copyright purposes.
Yeah.
Okay, it's better.
Huh?
Just the box you got them out of.
I got a text. Somebody sent me a text from my phone, but in the building, we out here about to do these fireworks.
I'll drop some.
They blow
The
up.
government has sent us whistles.
Oh, okay.
Little dynamite.
Oh, probably because y'all
Hey, wanna eat some?
doing stuff for his birthday.
Okay, no. Okay, so we're actually now about to light some fireworks, and I got on my bee outfit. You know, for you were gonna be recording this also, but I guess not.
Probably show you the video.
Okay. Oh, never mind. I shouldn't have zoomed. I just made the worst mistake. Screenshot. I didn't even see that one. Oh, wow. Flammable caution. None of your business. Your audio is slow, bro. What's gonna happen here? Oh my god, tilted. Oh, it's in the... Now they're looking at us. There's pieces in the sky.
Burned up and died.
Pieces, this is a piece, this is a piece. The piece in the sky.
They all burned up and died.
But I like saw 60 pieces though.
Burned up and died.
I got flash on, see? Was that in my lens?
Back up.
There we go. Here's another spiking ball thing.
Bam.
Ah! Would you look at that one? The pieces! 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 Oh, here one other comes. Pieces! I feel like I'm gonna get hit or something. I'm scared. Switch.
One more. One more.
Blurry tags. Ooh. Them kids are enjoying this. Got the tramp in the back though. Skirt. No way.
Same thing. What? Are we done with those ones?
I think we're coming out with more. I just throw those over there because I'm smart. Those, we got some. I can do it great though.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Watch the fire. Where's the fire? It's fire, 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 fire. Oh, it's burning up. Okay, it's not burning. Hey, look, it's fire. Oh no, I am running away.
Look. Make sure this is visible. Warning. Shoots flaming balls. So you gotta be careful. And we're out. No, I missed it.
I want to crush it.
How?
Stephanie. Fun view. The sky looks so beautiful today. You can just screenshot of that. Set it as your wallpaper. You know.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Take a flash off. Oh, there's smoke in the sky. I think it's Jesus. Oh, look at all those. Flaming balls. No one cares. We already have some. Oh, she went inside. Come back. Free! Woo!
For the dunk.
Want to get a shout out? For free candy.
Slide. 212.
Cameron Vlogs. YouTube. Sketch YouTube. Instagram. I'm just plugging so hard. Make sure you follow and subscribe. Follow and subscribe. Okay, let's see where this goes. I'm really curious of where this goes right now. Oops, she's about to light it. And one more.
And the finish.
Pieces. Okay, guys, so we got some more pieces coming up in just a second. Autofocus cameras. It's a rolling ball. Is she gonna light it up? Okay, there she goes. Wait. Seems like I'm coming. Never mind.
Run, boy.
For your lives. Okay, no. Oh my God, what is that? I think it's an animal. Let me turn AF on. Let me turn flash off. And then let me turn auto quality. Okay, good. Auto go quality's on. You know that? Easy quality. Oh God. You're dark as the sun. Phone. Oh God, it was right there. It didn't even go up farther than train.
That one was that one, huh? Yeah. About to make that go bang bang. Bang.
Okay.
I like blowing things up. Fun. Dud.
I got down perfectly.
No, that was a rocket one. So it wasn't a dud. I like chicken again. Man, tastes so good. It's got the light. Rocket. Whoosh. Like a.
It went all the way to the building. Why?
Show me that. Pass the
Got some cars. Got the car left. The Lambo left.
Look at that.
you go. What was that?
Wow. That's quality content right there.
Spiky leaves. Found spiky leaves. Oh, here comes one. Bam, quality Kazam. Some Tanner Fox tights. Looking. I know it's just some straight up light. So I need also more cars. I have a lot of cars. Especially sometimes when you're on. Hustle 250, hustle 0. Good on your festival ball. Tonight. Crush you. Crush you, yeah. Crushing in the name. Okay.
Up here with the East Coast.
I love going to the trash can. It's the trash can. I don't want this.
Y'all pick up those boxes out of there and bring them here, throw them in the trash for me.
They didn't even hear nothing you just said.
Have your phone.
Look at all these darn ants. The sausage, there's so many ants on that sausage. Boop. About to gather up some stuff.
No!
Oh, the camera's so freaking blurry.
It's a sacrifice for content.
The sand camera's still. Content shake up real quick. Okay, quality. It's perfect. Set background? No? Okay. You can set a background. I guess. I mean, you know, normal stuff. Still very, very blurry. I'll turn flash on.
I like green beans. Green beans. Yeah. I.
Blurred dim tags out, son. That's our GTR. We bought a GTR, not clickbait. We just bought our first 2006 GTR Skyline. I know about this. Alright, turn it backwards. Grass mounts. I'll just pull it backwards.
Your chain. Your chain is.
So blurry. The quality level is right back up where it started. So I'm about to go on the trampoline. I feel like doing trampoline vlogs, honestly. I feel like just vlogging on the trampoline. So let me get you a little bit more caught up on what I've been doing. I've mostly been, what have I been doing, guys? I've been in North Carolina for 2 weeks. I've been here for about half a week already. Time goes by pretty fast. And, if I can just plot my camera. Make sure you guys subscribe to Doug212 and keep it real 04. What kind of name is Doug? I pretty much shouted myself out for the whole of my neighborhood. These kids were so entertained. Oh, what 3 is this? What 3 is this? Oh, that's pretty cool. Honestly.
Alright.
New video title, 16-minute video.
Actually, no, let's pull it back down so we can pull the people.
What
You gotta pull it all the way.
What if we had no net and then we could just sit it here and then we could jump and dunk? That would be great.
I could already dunk without that.
So you're gonna jump over this whole net and then dunk it?
Oh no.
Or you could stay right here. Freaking.
No. But that is,
I can touch it. It's pretty scary. It's just a teeny bit farther away from. How about we pull it a little bit farther? Oh, perfect. Oh, you're about to chop my head off.
Now we should probably pull it up.
We pull it up. Yeah, pull it up.
Wait, go get the nail from over here. Oh.
I think I'm too close for you guys. So I'm going to show you guys some exclusive content on how this is going. We had it over there And now it's all the way over here, and it's looking pretty sexy. Pretty freaking sexy over here.
On the side.
In your mouth. Okay, so it's coming. So, do you need help?
I can't.
Oh, it's about to break. Dude, so stupid.
Run.
It's a pool. Dead. Hey, stuff.
What?
Am I ready to poop? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, it's going to be amazing. Okay, I'll meet you when it's done. I'm going to end the vlog here, but it is successfully finished, actually. You can't really see, but this is the liner, and then the goal is inside the trampoline.
Right.
That's it. There's the Ford Fusion.
Wait it up.
Fusion's back. Actually, it's the Rolls Royce I'm just playing. Yeah, it's Ford Fusion, but you kind of just got it chilling up there. I got the Ford Fusion. Peace out. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and subscribe to Dove212. If you haven't already, like this video. Peace out, guys.